Hi there, to fix Wi-Fi connection issue on your Samsung Galaxy A35, first thing we can do is to check our Wi-Fi password. For that, let's open settings on the phone. Now let me return back in the main settings, and here we need to simply scroll a bit till we could see connections tab. After you have chosen connections, you should go in Wi-Fi, and here you need to disconnect from your network and then press forget to forget the network. So for that we need to tap settings icon, and here on the bottom of the page choose to forget it. So let's tap forget and just wait a couple of seconds and then try to connect again entering the old password. So let me just find my network, enter its old password really quickly, and after that just hit the button connect, and if it's connect then the problem is not in the password. If not, you may need to find out a new password. So if this advice didn't help, we can try to reset the phone itself, and for that we need to disable Wi-Fi first by tapping on the switcher to see the status of, and after that we'll need to restart the device. We got many ways how we can restart it in this video. Let's just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, then swipe again, and now you should see those three buttons on top. Simply select middle power button and you will see this power off menu. So from here choose restart, then tap this button again, and after that you should see the Samsung logo. Your phone will turn off, and just in a couple of seconds it will turn back on. You'll see Samsung logo again, and after that we will need to go back in the settings. After that enable Wi-Fi again and try to connect to our network one more time. And now the phone is back on, so let's return in the settings as we did before. Select connections, then you should go in Wi-Fi, and now let's keep update. Here we should tap on the switcher to turn on Wi-Fi, and now we just need to take a look whether we connect to this network or not. So in my case everything is just fine. I automatically connected to my network, but if in your case the problem still exists, we can simply reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. For that we will need to go in the main settings. From here just find General Management tab, and after that we would need to find reset button. So let's just scroll a bit, and here it is. Select it, and after that you would see this option reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. After you hit this button and hit this blue button reset settings, you would be disconnected from Wi-Fi. All of your Bluetooth devices would be disconnected as well. You will need to reconnect them, and you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. So let's try this out. I'm gonna go back in connections, then in Wi-Fi. From here we need to find our network just as we did before. If you cannot find it in this list, then just reset Wi-Fi by turning it off, then turning it on, and after that you should see your network in this list. Simply enter its password, and this will help to solve Wi-Fi connection issue. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.